You can structure your managed services or your support arrangements, but generally speaking, a traditional IT support arrangement will not be that security nature, proactive in nature anyway. The backups should be your last line of defense. They should not be your only line of defense. And to your point, a lot of the pre-event work that happens in that space is, and we've seen this before, often, a threat actor will get into a network and they'll sit dormant for 6-7 months at a time, just seeing where everything is, what data's where, seeing if they can get lateral movement to the backup environment. Traditionally, backup sat in the same flat network, if you like, that same layer. So rather than having to go through multiple locked doors and pin code access and whatever else to get to the backup data, often it's just sitting on another network drive somewhere that they can reach. So if they can get into the network first, understand where your critical data is, and then lock out or encrypt your backup data, and then do the attack, and then take the data, by that stage it's too late. Yeah. And you can have terabytes of backup data that is now completely useless.